Oh, yeah. Oh, no, the train, every 2 or 3 years, the train kills somebody. Every 2 or 3 years, yep. Everybody knows about the train, okay? You hear it constantly. I think the train is a way to find your way out of this life if you get hit by it.
A couple of kids got hit by a Union Pacific train, carrying sheet metal and household appliances through the pouring rain. They were planning on getting married after graduation, had a little baby girl. Trouble came and shut it down. Things like that ain't supposed to happen in this quiet town. Families are tight. Good people still don't deadbolt their doors at night in this quiet town. When we first heard opioid stories, they were always in whispering tones. Now banners of sorrow mark the front steps of childhood homes. Parents wept through daddy's girl eulogies and merit badge milestones, with their daughters and sons laying there lifeless in their suits and gowns. But somebody's been keeping secrets in this quiet town. They know how to live. Good people who lean on Jesus, they're quick to forgive.